I'm going to do a hair tutorial. And if you want to learn how to do your hair, just ask me and Amy. Bye!
Alrighty guys, so thank you for watching this video, and we're just gonna get straight into the video because me and Paris, we were not playing. We were excited about this being our first video. So right here I'm just cutting out the rubber bands from some old ponytails that we had up for about 2 days because I was being lazy, because sometimes you just need time to yourself, okay? Okay guys, and so right here I'm just showing y'all what detangler I like to use for her hair, because I never really like to comb her hair dry. I mean, don't get me wrong, sometimes there may be like a scenario where it's an emergency and I have to comb it dry, but you know, if I can help it, I do not comb her hair dry. Next, I always like to follow up with some leave-in conditioner so that her hair just, you know, is moisturized throughout the day, through whatever hairstyle that I'm using for the day. So yeah, I'm just doing that, making sure I get it on the front, the back, in the middle, and on the sides, getting it ready to detangle with the comb. And of course, I have to give her scalp a little rub and a little massage before I just pull it up in some ponytails. So that's what I'm doing here. Just, you know, kind of just loving on her scalp. Next, I'm going to come in with a wide tooth comb because let me tell you, you cannot detangle your hair with a tiny comb. I mean, you can if you want to, if that's your preference, but in my house, we do not do it. We're not tolerating it. It hurts, okay? It hurts. So if you didn't know, now you know. So we always like to start off with the biggest comb that we can find in the drawer. Then you want to get yourself a rat tail comb or just really any pointy comb in general and part it down the middle. I always like to use her nose, the tip of her nose, as a line up for me. But at this point, I've been parting her hair down the middle for so long that, like, I don't know. It feels like it's a signature part. It's like already there. I'm just cleaning it up. I also like to grease the scalp wherever a part is, which I do this a lot, you know, throughout the week. So by the end of the week, I'd be then grease the whole head 2-3 times. If you just, you know, grease it every time you part her hair, you know, you'll see a difference. And right here, I'm just going in with the shower brush to make sure the hair is detangled at the roots so that I can get the ponytail to be as sleek and flat as possible. Because, girl, we came to slay, okay? And once I got the ponytail, I mean, you know, halfway as good as I need it to be, I go ahead and put one ponytail holder on it, and I barely put it on there, very lightly, but tight enough to hold it as I put the edge control on, because I'm just not coordinated, guys, and I can't hold it and put the edge control on there at the same time, the ponytail. It just never works out for me. So next, I'm just going to part her baby hairs, part it around her hair, around her edges, to pull her baby hairs down and slick her hair back, if that made sense. And then I'm just going to use the comb to push it on back to get it as sleek and as smooth as possible. Alrighty guys, so now that I got the ponytail, you know, pretty sleek, I'm going to get another ponytail holder and I'm going to wrap it around the first one. So tighter than the first one. And then I'm going to take the first one off. And then I'm basically just going to repeat the same steps on the other side. And right here, guys, I am basically just fluffing out the ponytails, detangling them, getting them ready for me to add weave, which is what I'm doing for this hairstyle. Genuinely, I'd leave it like this because I just love her little round face with those little cute poops. But because she was taking pictures for her repping, I decided to let her have some long length. And now I'm just going through with our edges toothbrush that we created. We went and bought a toothbrush and made it our edges toothbrush. And I'm just swooping those little edges. Edges do not have to be perfect. I think that's what makes them perfect, when you just kind of let them do their own thing. When her edges don't want to listen to me, I don't make them. I don't go get hairspray. I don't find the super hard, I don't know what you would call it. But no, once I do her edges, I take her pictures, and once they mess up after that, that's on her. That, you know, she's a kid, let her live. I just swoop them on up, and I just do whatever can work for me at the moment. Next, I'm coming in with this curly hair. I'm just going to detangle it a little bit so it's not so curly. If you guys want to know the exact name of this curly hair, just comment down below. I don't have it right here in front of me. It's actually really late and I'm tired. I'm just doing this really quickly. So if you guys want to know what that is, just comment down below and I will, you know, make a video of that. So when I'm adding her hair into a twist, what I do is I twist the two separate pieces and then I twist them together. So I don't know if that makes sense. Maybe I should do a video on that. So if you guys want to know how I twist, just comment down below and let me know. And we can also get that into works. And now I'm going to do it again on the other side. And hopefully this time I can give you guys a better angle of what I mean by twist and then twist. Yep, so that's pretty much it, guys. I want to thank you all for watching our very first YouTube tutorial ever. Me and Paris want to thank you guys so much. And just don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below some more videos that you would like to see. And I don't know, just give us some ideas because this is our first go around with this kind of stuff. So, yeah, thank you guys so much. If you guys want to see how we ended up pairing this look with an outfit, then don't forget to wait until the very end of the video because, you know, they always save the best juice for last.
Be right back.
Guys, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, let me see you spam the comments with pink hearts. Paris loves pink hearts. So I'm going to let her see all the pink hearts if you made it to the end of the video. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below some different hairstyles or different videos you would like to see of Paris. Maybe her dancing. I do not know, but we are here for it. And I just want to thank you guys again for coming along this journey with us because we are so excited. Bye, guys.